What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to deposit money on Pocket Option with debit card. So you might be wondering how to exactly do so. Well, adding or depositing money on Pocket Option using your debit card is pretty easy. So first thing first, you want to go to pocketoption.com. You want to go to the left side here. You want to go to finance. Now from here, choose deposit. Now, under deposit, obviously there are going to be a lot of choices that you can choose from here. As you can see, depending on your region, some options may or may not be available. In my case, I have like PayMaya, GrabPay in here. But what we're looking for is going to be the Visa MasterCard USD option here, which in this case allows you to pay via a card. Now, you could also scroll down a bit here and you should be able to see it as well here in the card section. But let's go and choose Visa MasterCard here. Now from here, you just need to fill out some details. So first is you need to indicate the amount that you want to basically cash in or add into your account. And also if you have a promo code, you could go and enable this one and just enter the promo code in here. Now, by the way, in order for you to fully utilize this functionality, you need to verify your profile. So if needed, go ahead and click on verify your profile here and complete all the necessary details required for your account. So in this case, in the payment details section, you just need to basically provide some details about your card, like the card number, the zip code on it, it requires that, and the CVV at the back of your card. But typically speaking, once you've entered that and proceed with the payment here, you should be good. And that's about it. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.